So what's your plan for getting in?
All right, you got the easy part.
Yeah, what?
I'm going to use my incredibly toned pecs and buttocks to throw you over the wall. Go! Might have to adjust my angle.
No! You're not adjusting anything. I have a better idea. Okay, if we carefully project our impact point, we should be able to see it.
Got a splinter. It's always the tiny ones that really hurt. No! No!
Did anybody see you? Jake!
Hold on! This is amazing!
Jake!
This is incredible! I can't seem to catch this dot!
Oh!